Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you that how basically you can make a XML sitemap generator inside your Python application. So let me show you the demo of this application. So basically if I go to localhost 5000, you will see that there will be a interface out there, and here basically it's an input field out there. Here you can enter any website here. You can see we are building it inside the Flask web framework inside Python. We have a simple HTML form out there. So here you will enter your URL. So let's suppose I enter a website here, freemediatools.com. So as you now click the generate button, you will see the sitemap file will be downloaded. So this sitemap will contain actually your, you can change the address here. Let's suppose I change it to this website. Click on generate. So once again it will take some time depending upon how many links are there. So once again it will generate this sitemap, and now you can simply open this sitemap here. Basically it's a XML document here, and you can open it inside any editor, web editor. You will see it will contain all the website URLs, how many URLs are there. You can submit this URL on Google Search Console for ranking of your website. So it's a pretty simple tool that we will be developing in this tutorial. So I have written a complete blog post regarding this tutorial on my blog post. The link is given in the description of this video. So we are making use of Beautiful Soup library, which is a web scraping library. So if you just type Beautiful Soup 4, we are making use of this library package in Python. The command is very simple: pip install Beautiful Soup 4. And also we are making use of the Flask web framework. It is used for building out web applications in Python. So just install this, and now we will start this application. So if you want the full source code, go to the description of this video. And now just create an app.py file, and from the Flask library we will import the basic Flask library, and then we will start this application. So here we will have a simple route here, the home route, and here we will load a simple function here. So here we will make use of render template, and we will be loading a template of index.html. We can import this using our Flask library from this. So here just make a simple templates folder and write inside index.html. Here we will simply write a simple HTML document here. So this will contain a simple HTML form which will shown to the user. So inside this we will have this form out there. It will go to slash sitemap. The method is post. So we will simply say enter website URL, and then we will have a input field where the user will write the website URL. Then we will have a simple button of submit. The value will be simply generate. So now we can start this application. So we can simply say here, right here at the bottom, we can pass this option to true. So what will happen here if I run this application? It will start this application on localhost 5000. So you will see your form out there. And now we just need to make that post request. Whenever we submit this, we make a post request to this slash sitemap. We just need to make this post request out there. So it's very simple. For this, we just need to import the Beautiful Soup library and also the request module, and also make response. And we also need to import request module. From Beautiful 4, we just need to import this library. And from XML E-tree, we just need to import elementary. So now we will be writing the post request. So here we just need to give it a methods array here. So this will be a simple post request here. So first of all, we will get the URL here. So basically this is the name attribute that you have given here. This needs to be same. After we get the URL, we'll make the request using the request module. And then using Beautiful Soup here, we will get the HTML content of the page. And for this, we will use the HTML parser. We will get all the links here, and here we will use the for loop find all method. So this will find all the anchor links. Here we will add the links here, links add. href. So after this, we will get this element, which is URL set. So after this, once again, we will use the for loop. We'll make the child element of the XML using this method. Child location, and location text will be equal to link. So after this, we just need to allow the user to download this file as attachment. It's very easy. First of all, we will give the file name sitemap XML. We will convert this file to string value. We're using this method. We will make the response here. Use the make response method. Pass this name here. And we will set the headers of the file here using this square brackets, content disposition. And basically here we just need to allow the user so that they can download a file as an attachment. So here we just need to give attachment semicolon file name you must give, which will be called as sitemap XML. You can change this file name to any file name. And then we simply need to return this response. So the file will be downloaded. That's all. So if you now refresh it and give any file name here, you need to restart the server here. So we just need to give it a website name, click on generate. So now you can see it will download this XML sitemap as an attachment. So all the source code is given in the description of this video, guys. Please hit that like button, subscribe the channel.